In the land of Moab, there lived a woman named Naomi, who originally hailed from Bethlehem, but had moved with her husband and 2 sons due to a famine. Her husband Elimelech had passed away, and later her 2 sons Mahlon and Chilion also died, leaving her with her daughters-in-law Orpah and Ruth. Naomi was distraught, feeling as though the hardships of life had left her empty and barren. Feeling compelled to return to her homeland of Bethlehem, Naomi urged Orpah and Ruth to stay in Moab, as she felt she had nothing left to offer them. Orpah made the difficult decision to stay behind, but Ruth steadfastly refused to leave Naomi's side. With unwavering loyalty and boundless love, Ruth proclaimed, "Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God." Ruth's words were a testament to the deep respect and honor she held for Naomi. Despite her own uncertainty and the potential hardships of moving to a foreign land, Ruth chose to take this brave step out of love and devotion to her mother-in-law. Upon returning to Bethlehem, Ruth worked tirelessly in the fields to provide for Naomi and herself. Through her diligent and faithful actions, Ruth found favor with Boaz, a relative of Elimelech, who admired her dedication and kindness. Boaz offered his protection and allowed her to glean from his fields, ensuring she had plenty to support Naomi. Ultimately, Boaz, moved by Ruth's love and loyalty, married her, thus redeeming Naomi's family. Through their union, Ruth became the great-grandmother of David, famously known as the future king of Israel. Ruth's honor and care for Naomi brought blessings upon her and her family, illustrating that honoring one's elders leads to divine favor and a legacy of grace. The story concludes with Ruth and Boaz celebrating their union, as Naomi finds joy once more, surrounded by the love and devotion of her beloved daughter-in-law. This story shows that honoring our elders not only displays love and respect, but also invites blessings into our lives, fulfilling the biblical teaching, "Honor your father and your mother, that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you."